front of me I've got XIAOMI 11T. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. Firstly, let's go to settings. Now, enter display, and here we've got all settings for our display. At the top of the screen we can select between light mode and dark mode and schedule it. We can change brightness level or set it automatic. Then we can enable or disable anti-flicker mode, reading mode, we can change refresh rate, text size, adjust when device is in VR. We can select full screen mode for apps and enable or disable auto rotate screen. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.